Introducing the UC Series urethane wheel chocks from Checkers. For safety, use quality, properly sized chocks to prevent unattended vehicles from accidentally rolling away, which could lead to damage to assets, injury, or death. Chocks are often used with over-the-road trucks, trailers, utility vehicles, and mining support vehicles, for example. And they are found in many settings such as civil engineering, construction, and mining sites. Our lightweight urethane chocks are up to 75% lighter than rubber chocks and have a high load-bearing capacity. They are resistant to water, fuels, oils, and solvents, and they are resistant to the sun's harmful UV rays for long-lasting use. Because tires are designed in proportion to the vehicle's size and weight, select chocks based on the size of your wheels. If you use a wheel chock that is too small, it could be ineffective and lead to an accident. The size and curvature of the chock are important. Our urethane chocks will not slide because the tire first contacts the toe of the chock. The chock absorbs the weight of the vehicle and conforms to the ground surface to create better traction and stay in place. We recommend using at least 2 chocks per vehicle. Place chocks on the downhill side. For level grades, place on both sides of one tire. Position snugly and squarely against the center tread area of each tire. Their high visibility orange color makes them easy to spot. The UC line of chocks have models for tire diameters up to 65 inches and vehicle operating weights up to 245,000 pounds. These chocks have been third-party tested and certified. The UC 1400 has an easy grip handle, and the rest of the models have a recessed carrying handle.